drive the point home. Plus, here's a command, we're gonna use this command next week, but it doesn't hurt to look at it right now. It doesn't hurt to look at it right now. So grab your machines and press the math button, M-A-T-H. It's on the left-hand side a little bit. Okay, once you're there, go to the PRB menu. You have to arrow over to it. That's your probability menu. It's kind of a fun one. All right, we'll play with that data later. Okay, so math PRB. What I want you to do is I want you to grab the command called randint. Number 5 on mine. I guess that's probably that close. You guys want to flip a coin or roll a die right now?
Die.
Die. Die it is. Everybody type 1, 6. Thank you, Rebecca, for voting. 1, 6. Close the parentheses off. Okay? Now, oh, you know what? Even better. Even better. Time out. Go back 1, press comma, and press 6 again. So type 1, 6, 6. What this will do is it'll actually roll the die 6 times for us. We'll get 6 rolls versus just 1. I like the 1, but with a class this small, it might be better to all of us replicate it 6 times. So 1, 6, 6. What you're telling the TI to do right now is the first 2 numbers tell it to pick a random integer between 1 and 6 inclusive. So like rolling a die. The second number says do it 6 times. Press enter. Where's the comma? Above 7. I'm sorry, above 7. Corbett, damn it! Let's take a look at break. It's not crucial right now. It's just to drive home the point of clumping. I'll figure it out for you. I think it's buried in some other menu. I'll find it for you, brother. I promise. And send me an email. I'll try to find like a stat reference book for you for the 89. Just remind me to do it because I'll forget. We'll have this discussion in 30 seconds. Who got 6 distinct numbers? A couple of you did? You got all 6? One of each? No, none of us did. Because it's really hard to do that. It's very hard to do that. Because that's not what a probability of 1 in 6 means, now is it? Now is it? What it means is over time. Now let's do a real quick check. How many 1s did we get in total? How many 1s did we get in total? Raise your hand, and with a number of fingers on your hand, show me how many 1s you got. I'll keep a little frequency here. X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F. Let's keep track here. Let's keep track. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay? How many 2s did we get? How many 2s did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very cool. How many 3s did we get? How many 3s did we get? Overload. 5? 5 3s? Just 1. Okay, 1, 2, I wouldn't doubt 5. It's going to happen somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Good. So far, oddball. Not to worry. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5?
No.
Oh, just 1. Just 1 sound. So I saw 5 fingers. Crap, put your hands back up. I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. I just realized I'm not counting mine. 24, I had 3, just should be 23, and I had no 4s. 6s, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24. So clearly, we should have seen roughly 20 or so of each. We got too many 6s and not enough 2s, and the rest of them balanced out. Why does this not worry me? Is our randomizer broken? Is it broken?
No, it's random.
No, it's random. Exactly. It's random. What did we just see?
Wide range.
We saw a clumping of 6s. Go ahead and press enter again. Press enter again. Anybody get 1 of each? I got 2 3s. I almost got a 1 of each. It should happen about 1 in 120 times that we get 1 of each. Did anybody get 1 of each this time?
Almost.
Almost? Me too. Almost doesn't count though. Only horseshoes and hand grenades. You did!
Yeah.
Boom! There it is. We got a 1 and 2. You didn't get an order though, did you? Because I would pee myself if you did. Yeah, if you get it in order. We got 2. No.
Mine's just weird.
Yours
So
is weird.
The first one is 416, 412, and this one is 215, 215.
Press it again and ruin that pattern.
I don't want to.
I don't want to take a screenshot. Tell to your friends. No, that's the thing, is that we're going to see that. Press it again, press it again. Yeah? There's some more 3 sixes.
Ooh, 3 6.
Yes.
I got 4 5s.
4 5s, 3 6s. Anybody get one of each this time? Guess Sarah got one this time. It should happen about 1 in 120 trials. Now you'll figure out why that is as we go through the course. That's a fairly advanced probability calculation. We'll get to it. We'll get to it. The reason I said I'd pee myself if it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is because that only happens about 1 every 700 trials. So it means it should happen. It just is going to happen very, very rarely. We'll see again as we go through the course why. The big idea though, and I've got a nice Excel spreadsheet to drive this point home soon, is that I don't worry when I see not a perfectly uniform distribution like this. Because on average, at somewhere down the line, the 6s are going to get caught up to by the 2s, and things will eventually balance. But what we just saw, what does 1 6 not mean? It doesn't mean every 6 trials you get a 3. As sometimes, as you can see, you don't get 3, sometimes you get more than 1 3. And sometimes you do get 1 3. On average, you should get 1 3 every 6 trials, but it doesn't guarantee when they show up. You can't just take a blocker and go 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and expect a 3 in each one of those bins. But you can take all the numbers once they're out in front of you and shuffle them up and be able to arrange them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that doesn't mean they don't show up in that order. Remember, this is why Harrison Ford was running from the one-armed man and the fugitive. Because he got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and he was smart enough to realize that's not what happens. Cool? So you would be surprised, right, if you saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why he was running from the one-armed man, because somebody saw that data and published it as a surprising result, as it was a surprising result. It was also fake. It was fake. Because there's only 2 things that could possibly explain an order of die rolls that go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1, you're very, 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 very lucky. You just happen to roll that 1 in 700 over and over and over again. Any other explanation? Is that it's fake. Or that your die is somehow programmed to do that, which is the same thing as being fake, if you think about it that way. Is that fair? So that was a very long-winded answer to that 1 2-point question on your project. Probably, I don't know if it was worth maybe more than 2 points of an explanation, but it's a counterintuitive kind of thing. Imagine trying to, whenever I ask you to explain something on a project or a quiz or an exam, imagine trying to explain it to someone who's never had a problem stat course before. Put it in terms they can understand. Almost every single one of you on the first day of class recognized the randomness and lack of randomness in the couple different patterns that we saw. But having to verbalize that is a different story sometimes. It gets trickier. It gets trickier having to, and that's why I'm going to push you out of that comfort zone and make you do that because I'm a bastard. And because you need to be able to understand how to do it. It's part of this course, is understanding what a 1 in 6, what a 1 in 4, what a 1 in 10 mean. Good? Good. Yeah, Sarah's like, okay, I'll buy it for now. I'll buy it. All right. Now, I didn't come here to tell you that today. I kind of, part of today, I want to talk about that. What were we talking about exactly 120-ish hours ago? Last time I saw you guys, it was forever ago, because we had class canceled on Tuesday. Does everybody understand as far as what's due when now? Because I made some things get pushed back because of the snow day, or ice day, I guess. So, recapping, it looks like you guys turned in some quizzes today. I'm noticing very beautiful with the average depth of the river, very nice, good picture. The average depth of the river and the Paul Samuelson one, that you can turn that one in today, there's no problem with that one. There was a second quiz for today about variation. Feel free to turn that in next class if you want to, especially because we hadn't learned the TI tricks for that yet. So turn that in next time if you want to on Tuesday. Speaking of Tuesday, I originally had another quiz due on Tuesday, and it's still posted on Tuesday, and we'll talk more about that today. It'll come up in conversation today. I put a little caveat under that one too. If you want to wait till Thursday to turn that one in, that's okay as well. I didn't want to do that originally because you have that exam due on Thursday, and it felt bad for me to have 2 things due on the same day. But then somebody said, well, we can still have it done by Tuesday, and then just look over and compare it to classmates, and then turn it in on Thursday. I'm like, well, hell, sure, that's fine too. But I left the original due date on Tuesday, but feel free if you want to have an extra day to turn that in and turn it in on Thursday as well. Is that okay? It's ready to go.
Randomization thing you were talking about in TI, that's what we just did, right?
We did, yes.
For the variation quiz.
Variation quiz. No, this was actually just to explain your project question.
Oh, okay, you
This
said
is
on the variation quiz though, there was a certain thing.
Oh, there's a TI thing, but that wasn't it.
Have we learned it yet, or?
No,
Oh,
that's,
okay.
we were supposed to do it on Tuesday. I had a nice data set ready to go on Tuesday, we never got to it.
Okay.
So we'll do it today. And you'll know what it is right away when we do it. It doesn't have anything to do with randomizing data, it's data that's already in front of you. I think that's it, as far as what's due when. Cool? And I know variation is a tricky idea. I mean, if you think about it, that's one of the trickiest things we've been talking about is variation, and I want to come back to